Hello friends, welcome to Stock Market Pulse. I am Nitika. Let's check the pulse of stock market. Today's video we will discuss important global market scenario and we'll discuss some important news around and along with that we'll analyze the Nifty bank chart and we'll discuss its level for next week. So to know all about the stock market and the Nifty bank levels for next week, stay connected till the end and smash the like button and subscribe the channel for regular index levels update and stock market update. So let's start video with the global market, the global index, what is happening there. But before that, let me discuss as the you know what all are happening around regarding India Pakistan tension, India Pakistan war. All things are going which are making at least our Indian stock market little bit uncertain and little bit uh, there is little bit concern about this, but that I will discuss in Nifty bank chart. Let me first discuss and show you this global index, and then we'll go to the chart. So you can see in Nifty 50 what happened the last Friday. It was totally down negative, and there was a more fall, and this was even more than 1% fall happened in Nifty 50 last Friday. And then Sensex was also more than 1% down, and Nifty bank though started its downward journey uh, last week, even before last week also, that I have discussed in my last video, that Nifty bank is now taken a new U-turn. Indian market indices was not that good, not actually was not performing, not doing good. And if we see the global market, एक बिल्कुल फ्लैट था, नो पॉजिटिव नो नेगेटिव ऑल्सो, बट यस इट was trading at trading flat. But Indian market is definitely uh, falling and given a negative sign for the investor and trader also, that it is not doing that good. If we go to the commodity, I have already in my earlier video I have discussed the Brent oil. Again I am going to discuss the Brent oil because Brent oil is again falling uh, down. So Brent oil is again very negative, trading at its low, and this is also not. Yes, for our chemical sector, it is very good news, but yes, this is not showing a very good sign, at least globally also. So Brent oil is not that good. It was trading around 60 barrel. Yeah, you can see here it is trading at highest. It was 64 and 62 around was low 62.84. तो अभी भी ये 60 के 60 to 65 के रेंज में है. 65 was a very crucial level where Brent oil need to break this level. That is very important to go to take Brent oil little bit upside. So Brent oil is not good, and I shared the indices also. And currency we see, so if you see USD INR, that is also at that flat level at 85 around, मतलब 85 to 86 के बीच में ही USD INR भी ट्रेड करा. तो this was overall information, or we can say update on global market which I can discuss. Or some important Q4 result also came. Q4 result I will discuss little bit about Q4 result. I will discuss in my Nifty 50 video which I am going to post on Sunday. This is Saturday. I am posting the Nifty bank video. So definitely you should go for the if you want the nifty 50 level, you should go that video which I'm posting on Sunday. So both the video are very important for the next week nifty's index, means index levels. First analyze the nifty bank. In my last video I made this pattern which was flag kind of pattern tha last week, but last week I even mentioned the pennant structure, pennant pattern. And but this time see it has made little bit uh, I can say proper flag pattern. अगर मैं यहाँ पे भी एक line खींच दूँ, if I will draw a line here, you can see it is a proper flag pattern. And the nifty bank, or you can see uh, this range. Yes, this range nifty bank is now trading in this range, which is very important, upside also and downside also. In my last video I gave this level 50 uh, 53,000, ये है 53,000 का 400, 53,400 is a very important line, very important support we can say. But if you see, it went here, okay, nifty bank, and given a breakout. High was 56,100, जो कि उसने इस दिन पे लगाया था on 23rd April. And from right from here it has started falling. You can see here it has taken a very, which ये वाली line जो है, ये ऊपर वाली, okay, this was very important support which has which it has taken on this day here. This day you can see this line, okay, this line was very good support. But this it has taken a support, but again went up here, taken resistance, then again it was coming down, and again it has taken a support here. You can see this line is a 53,800 around, yes, 800 we can say, 53,800 के आसपास इसने again it has taken a support. How beautifully it is taking the same support and resistance within this range. You can see here, यहाँ पे जा रहा है, फिर नीचे आ जा रहा है, okay, here, फिर again it is going up and taken here some resistance, फिर again नीचे आ जा रहा है. तो this range you can easily uh, uh, mm, draw, and you can see. And now again what happened on Friday, that I'm going to discuss. But first see this 20 EMA of Nifty Bank, which was very important here, this blue line. And from here again it has broken this line and went down. But again it is within this range. You can see this down line, you can see bank opened same range, it has opened, went up, tried also to break this 20 week EMA and even this resistance also, but could not sustain above this 20 EMA. And even this is a good line, resistance line also, it could not sustain. And यहाँ से the heavy selling started. And then the sellers uh, bringing it down to the same level where it was opened. And it was opened at, we can say, 53,000, what is yes, 53,600. So 53,600 is a very very important support, which we can see here. ये लाइन को अगर मैं थोड़ा सा ऊपर कर दूं, then you can see 50,000, 53,600 is a very very good support. But अगर मैं ये लाइन लूँ, this रेंज में लूँ, तो थोड़ा सा चांसेस और हैं कि ये थोड़ा बहुत और गिर सकता है, which is 53,400 also. 53,400 to 53,600 you can make a range, you can make a zone of 53,400 to 53,600 is a very important support for the Nifty Bank. But considering the geopolitical condition, the India-Pakistan tension, war, all the thing is not looking very good, not seeming very good for the, at least for the India. If 53,000, Nifty Bank is breaking 53,400, then no doubt the Nifty Bank will definitely will come to this level, which is 51,900. Or we can already say that Nifty Bank has touched its all-time high, new all-time high, and from there it is again starting its downward journey. The Nifty Bank is not looking good at all. It may fall more, it may और कंडीशन जो है जियोपॉलिटिकल कंडीशन उसको भी कंसीडर करते हुए वी कैन से निफ्टी बैंक इज नॉट एट ऑल गुड. अगर ये ब्रेक होता है 54,400 300, then तो निफ्टी बैंक इज definitely going to touch the 51,900. This is also not very long term support, this is very short term support only. ये ब्रेक होने के बाद 51,000, ओके 51,900 इज ऑल्सो शॉर्ट टर्म सपोर्ट ही है. सो वी शुड होप दैट निफ्टी बैंक यहाँ पे एक सपोर्ट ले एंड अगेन अपना रिवर्सल स्टार्ट करे. बट एज यू नो वी नेवर नो, वी डोंट नो व्हाट इज गोइंग टू हैपन in future, so we can only predict, or we can only discuss the level according to the this chart you can looking at. So because this chart के basis पे ही I can discuss the level, the condition, the news, the scenario is happening around, that is not in my control. That the news will come and the market will react, immediately react on that. So please be in touch and be always be in news and watch what is happening around you. All in all, in conclusion, we can say the Nifty Bank key levels for next week can be: first support is 53,400 to 53,600. After breaking this zone, the next support zone can be 51,900 to 51,800, and resistance can be 54,800. So this was a detailed analysis of the Big Nifty Bank chart and detailed discussion of Nifty Bank levels, which you should keep in your mind. You should keep checking the important news, the important update happening around, and keep watch on this level also for the next week. And like and share the video for the more reach, and subscribe the channel for regular index levels update and stock market update and global market update all in one video. Signing off.